Hi guys, Quentin here, and welcome back on QIP. So today we're going to be checking out Nature Rica Rica for the very first time. I've never heard of Nature before, but I'm very excited to get to know these girls. So let's go. Okay guys, Nature's Rica Rica that just dropped today. Let's go. This surface thing is really cool. Let's go. Oh, this jumping? I mean, this rhythm makes me want to dance. Hello, tap, tap, tap. I love it. Okay, 1 second. This intro is really cool, the oriental vibe of it. Like, I like it. And this whole dome is really impressive. Okay, let's go. The rhythm just makes you want to dance. Let's go run away. Just get the build up. Let's go. Oh wow. Just go boom. This chorus is so catchy. Rica, rica, rica. I can sing it already. That's not how you recognize a good song. I'm telling you, this is really cool. I really want to see the sets change though. This is not, it appears not being a dance video, but like there's only one set. So, why is that? Can you guys tell me in the comment section? This dance is sick. This must be so tiring, my god. Like cardio. Okay, let's go rappers. That's some bars, let's go. Let's go. Vocals. I want to dance. Should I get up and dance? I love that palm. I want to do palm too. Let's go for the bridge. What a voice. I like her. Oh my god, we're hearing this again. I'm sorry guys, but this 10 seconds back. Let's go. I love I want her name. Name in comments, please. This should pass like in clubs or stuff. They should put this music in clubs. I would be dancing up on my feet. I want to try to do this. This dance got me obsessed. Like the thing with the legs. Oh my god. I'm gonna be terrible at this anyways, but I kind of want to try either way. Okay. Rica Rica Nature. Okay guys, so that was Rica Rica by Nature. I really enjoyed that song. I thought it was very catchy. The hook is super catchy. And the dance is really cool. I'm kind of confused though on why they only had one set. So maybe you guys could just tell me in the comments why that happened. And yeah, put in the comments all the music that you want me to check out. And also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified each time I put out a new video. See you guys, bye!
Talk to me, that is magical.